Well, we're out on some travels again, and you would not believe where I am now. I'll give you a spin around shot. So we're up here at Marulan and Pheasant Wood Circus. Well, some days it is a circus. Depends who turns up. Circuit. Interesting enough, it's actually for sale. So if you've got a cool 10 million, drop 10 million down, and if you feel like it, put it in your will for me, that'd be great. Awesome to own a racetrack and just come whenever you want. Now, this is one of my favourite tracks, just simply because it's just a really nicely finished surface. Nice, small, medium-sized track. It's good for the smaller bikes. Unreal, love it. It's one of my favourite tracks in Australia. Not that I've been too many, because sort of stick to New South Wales. All right, guys, we're going to get here once the people arrive, unpack, do some more shots, and get some footage.
Electric bike.
Oh, that's me signing off. I'm one cooked chook. It's been, it's now 33 degrees. It's like 12 to 2. It's been 30 something. And then, you know, you're wearing with a suit, you're on a hot bike. There's a breeze, but it's coming straight from hell because it's so hot. I've pumped about 5 1 litre Powerades and then a smaller Powerade. I'm getting some more drinks on the way home. I'm cooked. The bike went well, had a little coolant leak. I was hoping to get some drone footage of the bikes going around the track, but the wind was just insane. So, and next time. All right, guys, thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Right, I'm out. Checkers.